What's up, guys? Good afternoon. I'm going to share two stocks with you that I have personally put in over $40,000 into because I'm expecting them to have a huge move. Okay, so we're getting into that today. All I ask that you drop a like, you subscribe to the channel. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I just show you the charts looking at basically 3 to 4 different indicators, and I tell you if it's a good buy or a good sell. Run away, stay far away from it. So make sure you drop a like, subscribe. That's all I ask. Let's get right into it. So the first one that I have been buying up is SoFi. And I want to break this down for you, the reasons why. Okay. Right now, couple things to look at with SoFi. We are trading on the 200 EMA right here. Okay, on a weekly time frame. This is very bullish. I have alerted members about SoFi from back in the day when we were at $7, $8 down here. We took it all the way up to about $26, $27. I told people I would stay far away from SoFi right now. It topped out at $32 and now it has come back down. And I've recently been buying it and sharing that with Patreon members, okay? And with you guys here on YouTube as well. I'm going to be making a lot more videos on YouTube too, just with different stocks and crypto. But in this video, we're going over two stocks. First one, SoFi. Why does it look good right now? Well, we have an oversold RSI on a weekly. We have a stochastic curling up on a weekly. We have a MACD curling, which we love to see. If we could just look at the MACD real quick, you'll start to really see how this whole thing works. When you look at a weekly time frame, you got to make sure that they have good earnings also. That's another important indicator. But you can see we have this U shape right here. We have this U shape right here. We had another U shape right here before the cross. And we had another one right here. Okay, what happens every time we make this U shape? You can see that SoFi typically goes a lot higher every single time. Right here, it went from about $6 all the way to $10. From here, it went from $6 all the way to about $17. From this time, it went from 8, $9 all the way up to 32. And now here we are again. Okay. If we also look at the volume is picking up the buy volume. It's not extremely high yet, like this, obviously. We'd love to see it above the blue line right here. I'll give you some examples. So obviously right there above the blue line, we have some examples of it building right there. We had some more examples right here. Right now, we don't have anything above the blue line yet. Okay. But I think it will come. So I think more money is going to be coming into SoFi. Also, the CEO has bought about $1.5 million worth of the stock outside of his own out of his own pocket, which is a really good sign. The earnings are great. They're making money. They're profitable. So yeah, the setup right here looks absolutely beautiful. So I'm very bullish on SoFi. I bought this morning, alerted members at like 16 and some change, and then I bought more at 1770. So right now it's at 1788, and I plan to hold for a little bit of time. By the way, guys, if you want to know all my buys and sells, you can join the Patreon. Links are down below. The stock tier is $13 a month. Crypto tier is 20, and then the Alpha Weekly is something new I put out. It's $1 a day. It gives you the top 5 picks, the top 5 stay away from, the top 3 cryptos. You can read in the description right here, see if it's worth your time. And then right now, if you pay for the whole year and lock in with me, I'm offering 10% off. So it actually drops down to less than $12 a month, less than 18, and less than 26. And of course, if you want to Zoom meet one-on-one, you can join the gold tier for $89 a month if you pay for the whole year, and we'll meet face to face and go over all your stocks and crypto positions. Okay. So that was stock number one. Stock number two, which I'm actually really excited about, is Rivian, because this is such a clean setup, guys. When we look at the weekly time frame right here, you could see that the RSI is just in an uptrend. It looks great. That's not the most important thing. The stochastic is also momentum's going up, which is great. But again, not the most important thing I want you to look at. The most important thing I want you to look at is the MACD on a weekly time frame. Every time we curl like this, what tends to happen? Curl right here. We go up, we go up, we go up, and now we're curling again. We have not crossed because by the time it crosses on the weekly, you're too late. You need to get in before the cross. This is what I teach. Okay. This is how you learn. Once you learn this skill set, guys, you can do this the rest of your life, and you can feel confident putting $10,000 into a stock, or even $100,000 into a stock, depending where you're at in life, right? But if you don't understand this stuff, you don't understand these indicators, you don't understand volume and things we talk about on this channel, then you're just gambling. at the end of the day. So you want to make sure that you understand this. But for me, this is an absolute buy at 1608. We've been buying it today. I bought it a couple times today. The last time I bought it was at 1582. I shared that on X as well, Twitter. Links are down below if you want to give me a follow. I give a lot of free information on there as well with different charts and everything. So Rivian's looking really good. And then you want to make sure you know when to sell. So I have a sell indicator that I've created. Again, I'm just here to not, it sounds like I'm here to sell you stuff, but I want to give you guys the tools so that you can be ultra successful for the rest of your life, right? If you're in your 20s, your 30s, your 40s, I mean, I even work with some people that are in their 50s and 60s that work with me one-on-one. I mean, they got so much time. You got so much time. So learn the skill set, develop this, and then win. Don't think about today. Think about the future. What could this actually turn into for you? So when the sell indicator goes off, that's when we plan to sell. But Rivian, again, it looks absolutely amazing. We have the 200 EMA above us, about $22. I think this is going to move very fast. Every time you could see, I'll kind of end it with this, but when we make the U shape, if we take it from the low, the run is 60% in a matter of a month. If we take it from the low right here, the run is 120% in a matter of 2 months. If we take it from the low, this U shape, the run is 75% in a matter of a month and a week. You guys getting the picture? If we take it from this low up to here, the run was 63% in a matter of a month, 4 weeks. If we take it, let's do one more, from this low to this high where it says sell, 2 months, guys, 81%. So look at where we're at right now. We're at the low, curling. Where are we going to go? Let's just say it's 60%. We're at 24 to 25 bucks. And then if we take it from here, it's obviously a lot more. So depending when you got in, this is a absolute buy for me, just be my own opinion. And now let's end it with Jasmy. I think that would be a good one to end it with. Let's end this with Jasmy crypto because I know a lot of you that follow me are interested in Jasmy. So what's Jasmy doing? Because Jasmy has been absolutely boring, okay? Weekly time frame, not as clear as the stocks we talk about, right? You could see that we have a bunch of volume above us. If we could get above this 0.007 range, guys, we could head all the way up to about 2 pennies. 2 pennies again. We could just launch out of here. But what's our problem? Like our problem has always been with Jasmy, as I've been sharing this with you guys, no volume. See, there's no volume right here. Volume is very low right now. No volume. So Jasmy hasn't made a move, as I've been stating on all the videos I made for you very recently, that I don't think Jasmy is going to make a move very soon. Now, looking at it now with the data that came out, PPI data and everything going on in our economy, Jasmy just needs one little piece of news and a little bit of volume, and this thing will rocket to 2 cents. And I know a lot of people will sell, but again, is alt season around the corner? It could be, but Jasmy is in this ABC correction, and now we're consolidating. And guys, the only thing you really need to be watching right now for Jasmy is the volume. If we go over to the daily, let's see if there's any solid buy volume right now. I mean, it's just trading sideways. It's been so boring since February of 2026. Nothing, right? Barely any volume. We want some volume above the blue line. There's no volume here. You guys see that? Barely any volume. So maybe something's starting. No, we're getting above the blue line a little bit, but nothing really. Like you got to get above it multiple days. Hope this was helpful. See you guys on the next one.